issues.
What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So while I was gone, they got in all this stuff, and it's so cute. And I found this ribbon, and I was like, all right, I need to use that for something. So then I was looking for something to go with it, and I came across this buffalo check with glittered snowflakes. Hello. And then this black and white here. So let's make a bow. All right. So we're going to measure out about, I don't know, 12 inches. Give it a good pinch. We're going to measure out about 7.5 to 8 inches. Find some scissors. We're going to cut this one about 8 inches. Alright, so we just want a giant X. Now, just a little side note. If it was me, no matter if that silver lined up right where I needed to put it in the pegs, I would not do it. Y'all, that silver is going to be a lot thicker than the regular, and it's going to be a lot easier to get a tight twist not on that silver. So although I wanted that tail to be 8 inches, I made it slightly longer so that I don't have to fight making that twist right into that silver square. All right, y'all, then this one, this is in 1.5 and 2.5. You need one of these bow makers. We have some on the way. Take our pipe cleaner, fold it in half, slide our bow out. Pull down, twist our bow. Just a fun little bow. Of course, we're going to want to trim this up. All right. Now, see how these colors are very, very different? If you wanted to make this tie in a little bit better, let me show you how. We're gonna start with our same 4-inch again. Measure out your 10 inches. Get your longer tail down. Measure out to our 7.5, 8 again. Trim this one. All right, so after the 4-inch, we're gonna come in with our red and black. That way we get some of this tied in towards the back. All right, now we're gonna come in with our white and silver. And then back in with our red and black. For a little center loop, right? So now we tied in this black and red towards the back and towards the top. Slide this one off. Get it nice and tight. All right, let's trim this one. All right, now look how this one looks whenever we tied in that black and red in the second layer and the top layer. It makes it look a less, I don't know, choppy. See how this one is like very structured? And then this one looks more like it blends in together. All right, on this one, instead of doing the whole 2 loops, we're just gonna take our 1.5 and we're gonna give it just a tail through there. All right, so this one, we did our X with the black and white. We did 1 layer of just the black and red. Then we did our X with the silver and white, and then we did an X with the red and black. All right, get that nice and tight. Tie it off. Get everything fluffed out. And you can see this method, you also get the layered look without using quite as much ribbon. So my favorite is this one though.